Control number 42433, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Annalyn Lara, 39 years old. I am unmarried. I have 4 children, 2 daughters, 18 years old, 7 years old, and also 2 sons, 15 years old, 4 years old. I have 2 sisters. I am eldest.
What is your educational attainment?
My education high school graduate at Dunlop National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go in Hong Kong for myself, future, and family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience in Philippines as a housemaid for 7 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No, but I willing to learn.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes. Take a bath, prepare foods, and medicine.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking, tutorial.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I want to cook steamed fish and vegetable. Philippine cook, menudo, adobo, and caldereta.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am hardworking, worthy, and lovely, honestly.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and to say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mom and Sir, if you choose me, I promise you I do my best, duty my responsibility, and I promise you I finish contract 2 years and more than. Thank you.